Muddy Bites for 87 cents. These oat milk, it says oat milk full fat, are only 99 cents. Tapatio ramen. There's chicken flavored. There's carne asada with lime flavor. There's birria ramen and chili lime shrimp. For 50 cents. I'm interested to see what these are. This is beef pho. And then they spicy chicken pho and a regular pho. This is worth trying for 50 cents. I'll go ahead and grab one of each as well. Turkey breakfast sausage. It's only $2.50 and I can definitely break this up into different days. Turkey bacon is $3.49. A 3-piece cast iron frying pan set. Only $25. Heat socks right here. It's a 2-pack. It's only $6 for 2. To get price on the Red Baron stuffed crust, it's only $3.99, and you know they're pretty big. Their rotisserie chicken lunch meat is only $1.99 right now. The Vermont Creamery, it's rich and creamy cultured butter with sea salt. You get 2 sticks for $2.49. Always picking this up at Walmart for $3.19. It's only $1.99 here, and I definitely need cheese, so I'm gonna grab it. The Trix waffles are only $1.49, and they also have Cocoa Puffs and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Joba bubble gel, and I did get it last time for my son and he liked it. And Annie's made an organic cheesy ravioli for 99 cents. Takis, $1.99. Takis is coming out with a lot more different products here. They even have these Takis kettle, jalapeno typhoon. So those are jalapeno kettle chips for $1.99. These are the ones I was looking for. So it says they're $3.99. Honey mustard seasoned pretzel twists. The full grocery haul is now up on my channel if you want to check it out. See everything that I put together, how I was trying to stick to a $40 budget. Did I make it? Did I not? I'll see you over there.